We are pleased to show you the 2019 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, autonomous braking, traction control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, power brakes, child safety locks, compass, clock, wireless charging station. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.